library. My name is Larissa. I'm the Adult Services Librarian here. We thought that since we're not open for browsing right now, that it'd be a good idea to do some unboxings of new books and materials as they come in. So today I got this box. I'm going to open it up. If there's anything in here that you want to get on the hold list for, they're not cataloged yet, so you won't be able to do it in Prairie Cat right now, but you can put a request in the comments down below. You can send me an email, I'll put that in the description of this video, or you can send us a message on Facebook. Any of those methods will work. And then we'll have them ready for you for curbside pickup. And let's open up this box and see what's in here. Oh, a new book by Jean Smiley. That's a lot of fun. Perestroika in Paris. She's always a really popular, really well-known literary author, so fans of her. Her new book is here. This one looks like a thriller, Red Hands by Christopher Golden. An absolutely riveting novel. I couldn't put it down. A thriller filled to the brim with equal parts terror and heart. Sounds exciting. And My Name is Anton by Katherine Ryan Hyde. Fans of Kristen Hanna, Lisa Wingate, and Hyde's previous work will relish this soul-searching novel full of high stakes and snappy dialogue. This is a twisty psychological thriller, After All I've Done, by Mina Hardy. Take It Back by Kia Abdullah. A riveting, thought-provoking, sparklingly intelligent novel with the welcome bonus of an unguessable ending. Oh, for anyone who really enjoyed Ready Player One, Ready Player Two is out by Ernest Cline. Enchanting, Willy Wonka Meets the Matrix. And another sci-fi, Ambergris by Jeff Vandermeer. He's actually kind of popular here, so fans of him. His new tome is here. Oh, Ordesa by Manuel Villas. This one is a #1 international bestseller that is now translated into English. It's a book full of compassion toward the underdogs of history, the everyday men. And Glimmer As You Can by Danielle Martin. A story of female friendship and strength, of the secrets we all carry behind our smiles, and the power to be found in a sisterhood of supportive women. D, A Tale of Two Worlds by Michael Faber. This one looks like a fantasy novel. Neil Gaiman says it's glorious, a story that will be found and enjoyed and dreamed about for years to come. A contemporary romance. Good Morning America Book Club selection. This Time Next Year by Sophie Cousins. Their lives began together, but their worlds couldn't be more different. After years of misconnections, they're about to meet again. Oh, our new copy of Rebecca. A little plug for our evening book club, which meets on a third Tuesday of every month at 6 o'clock. We're doing Rebecca at some point in 2021. That was just made into a new Netflix film, so that'll be a fun read for us in the book club, or anyone who wants to reread Rebecca or read it before they watch the Netflix movie or after. And a new book by Greer McAllister. She wrote The Magician's Lie a couple of years ago. I read that book. It was excellent. This one is called The Arctic Fury. So this is fun. It'd be a historical novel. Unforgiving, snow-dazzling landscape, a cast of extraordinary, fierce women, and a nail-biting courtroom drama that wrecked my nails make this historical gem unputdownable. That's a quote from Kim Michelle Richardson, who wrote the book Woman of Troublesome Creek. Some of you may have seen her speak when we had her over the summer speak over Zoom for us. And the last one in the box here is The Blade Between by Sam J. Miller, which is exciting for me. I read his last book, Blackfish City. As addictive and brutal as it is smart and challenging, Miller unflinchingly confronts the sins of our past and present. That one should be good. And that's the end. That's all the books I have in this box today. So again, if you'd like to put any of these books on hold for once they're cataloged and they're ready to go out, you can just put a comment below, send us a message on Facebook, or send me an email, which I'll put that email in the description of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, if this is helpful to you, please make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that bell for notifications so you'll be up to date on all the new materials at the library and any programming that we have available on YouTube. So, thanks so much. Have a great day.